So today I want to answer a quick question that a lot of newer window cleaners have, and that is, do I need to remove the screens every time I'm going to clean the outside windows? And while the answer is yes, 90% of the time, there is that time where it would make sense to leave the screens in, and the number one key is communication. Let me show you these windows. The screens cannot be removed from outside. They've got these little pin tabs. You have to go inside, tilt the window back, pull the pin tabs down, and pull the window screen out from inside. So from the exterior, these cannot be removed. There's just simply no way. This frame holds it in place. Communication is key. Now, I've cleaned these windows multiple times in the past, both inside and outside, including the screens, the tracks, the whole gamut. On a maintenance clean is what I call it, every 3 to 6 months after a full service clean where I do everything in and out, I'll offer to come, and they don't have to worry about me coming inside, and they don't have to worry about removing the screens themselves either. I'll come and I'll wash that top half of the glass. I'll scrub the screen with a brush to get rid of the pollen and rinse it with pure water. And I'll do a rinse of the glass. Now, there are a few times in my past where I have had customers insist that I do that for a new clean, and I let them know very clearly the top portion of glass I can guarantee will be 100% clean. There will not be one spot or smear on that glass. On the other hand, the bottom half will be maybe at best 80%. And oftentimes, surprisingly enough, they're okay with that. They say, I can't really see through the screen anyways. I don't open that window often. I just want to know that my windows look good from the street. So we're just looking for that curb appeal. So in this case, since I've maintained these windows well, I can usually get a fairly thorough rinse and get it to 95% spotless. As long as I'm around the 3 or 4 month, I can push it to 6 months, but there might be a little bit of residue that can't get scrubbed off. I'll use the best type of jet, the strongest jet that I have access to. Or, if nothing else, just straight hose. And as you can see, it cascades on the glass just enough to rinse off major dirt and debris. It's not going to make it clean by a professional standard, but sometimes good enough is what counts. So there you have it, folks. Ask this customer. So in a nutshell, it's good to remove the screens if you can. A lot of customers don't want to have to deal with the hassle of it. So I always volunteer to put on booties to cover my shoes and come in and remove them myself. But on the occasion where the customer does not want that disturbance for whatever reason inside of their home, I'll happily go ahead and clean the top half and wash the bottom half as well as I can, or at least give it a good rinse with pure water. So that's one of the great advantages of having a water-fed pole setup.